In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Facebook profile in Meta Business Suite. First, let's quickly set the scene. Meta Business Suite is the tool that helps you manage your Facebook page, Instagram account, messages, and content all in one place. To access it properly, you always start from your personal Facebook profile that's connected to the business assets you manage. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you know exactly where to click and what to look out for. Begin by opening your web browser and going to the main Facebook website. On the login screen, enter the email address or mobile number and password that you normally use for your personal Facebook profile. This should be the same personal account that has access to the Facebook page or business you manage. Once you've entered your details, click the login button and wait for your Facebook homepage to load. After you're logged in, look towards the bottom left corner of your Facebook home screen. In this area, you should see shortcuts or a list of pages and accounts you manage. These are usually displayed as small icons or names of your Facebook pages. From this list, click on one of the business accounts or pages that you manage. This tells Facebook which business asset you want to work with inside Meta Business Suite. Once that page has opened, shift your attention to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Here, Facebook shows different tools and options related to your page, such as the newsfeed, insights, inbox, and more. Among these options, look for the one labeled Meta Business Suite. It may be grouped with other business tools, so take a moment to scroll if you don't see it right away. When you find Meta Business Suite, click on it. Facebook will then open the Meta Business Suite dashboard associated with the page you selected. This is where you can manage your posts, schedule content, reply to messages and comments, and check your insights and notifications, all while being logged in through your personal profile. And that's it. By logging into your personal Facebook account, selecting one of the pages you manage from the bottom left shortcuts, and then choosing Meta Business Suite from the left-hand menu, you are successfully logged into your Facebook profile inside Meta Business Suite and ready to manage your business.